Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. And also share. Today we are going to talk about the common mistakes in Excel. And these are some of the mistakes which the errors which normally occur when we are using Excel. Let's begin with this one. This one occurs when the calculation is practically impossible. Like when you get a number and you multiply with 0, it is supposed to give you 0, but it shows that the number is impossible. Like this value here, once you click here, it will show you that we got C2, which is a cell, and we divided it by 0. That's why we got 0. But if we can change this and we say divide by 4, it will give us the answer by saying that. Now the second error is this one. How and why does it occur? The name error occurs when the function is unknown. We have put here C5 minus H. So the computer, since it is garbage in, garbage out, you've put in garbage, which is C5 minus H. The C5 we are talking about is this one here, which is C5, 55. We want to subtract it from H, which is an unknown function. So in order to rectify the problem, you just have to put a known function, maybe let me say this, and it will give you the answer. The next error is value, hashtag value. Why is it like that? Hashtag value occurs when the data you've entered is invalid. Like we've put C2, which is this, plus C1, which is impossible. This one is these are letters and this is numerical. So that's why it is giving us this. To rectify it, you just have to align the data. It must be either numerical or just alphabet. So if I say this plus this, it will give us the answer. Our next error is null. Why do we get null? Null is called when you put an incorrect function. For name, it is unknown. The function doesn't exist in the system. But for null, the function exists, but you've written it in an incorrect way. This is sum. Sum is in the system. But if you want to write sum, not put this space here, because when we were writing this function, we were putting, instead of doing this to get the answer, we wanted to select one by one. So when we selected one by one, we were putting their space between the between the numbers. So when we pressed enter, it gave us, because the function is incorrect. How are we supposed to do it? We're supposed to either put the set, you highlight all these and press enter. It will have given us the answer. So please make sure you've written the correct function. So how do we get such? This one here is an outcome which is practically unapplicable. Take an example. Well, how do we get this? We wanted to get the mod from C2, which is this, to C9. But if you look at these numbers here, the mod is a number that occurs more than one time. The highest occurring number, it is not here. We don't have any of the such here. So that's why it gave us NA. But if we are to add another number here, which is 76, and we say we want to get here, we want to get the mod of this. The answer is 76, because 76 is occurring very many times. But if we are to get the mod here, and we say equals mod, open brackets, Here we don't have any recurring number. If you press enter, it will show us not applicable because the outcome, the answer is unapplicable. It is not available. Yeah, so those are the basic errors we normally make in Excel. Yeah, make sure you rectify them. Yeah, we shall be discussing more of the errors, some other errors as we go on. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Just in case you want me to change a few things, you can comment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.